This tutorial is going to show you two different ways that you can add a network printer to your profile. So the first way is I'm in a document that I need to print. I go up to File, I select Print, and as I'm looking at the list of printers, I notice that the printer that I want to print to is not in this list. Couldn't be easier to add any network printer to this list here. So first step is to click the Find Printer button. Nice little dialog box pops up. I want to find printers in. I need to change this to MEH. And then I click the Find Now button. Down at the bottom of that, a list of printers will appear. By and large, printers are named with their room number first. So if you click this button here that says Name, it will sort them in numerical order. And I'm looking for the printer in the Computer Lab 218. There it is. I highlight it. I click OK. And that printer will be added to my list. Give it a second. Come on. There it is. So now when I look in my list of printers, I should see that printer in here somewhere. There it is right there, 218 Computer Lab. So that's one way that you can add a network printer. The second way is to go down to your Start button, go to Settings, and select Printer and Faxes. At this point, you click Add Printer, and the wizard will appear. You say Next. We say we're looking for a network printer. Click Next. We're going to find the printer in the directory. Click Next, and it's that same screen. So I want to change that to MEH and click Find Now. Printers will appear. Again, I can sort them. I find the printer that I'm looking for. In this case, I'm going to look for the Computer Lab in 306. Click OK, and it will add that printer to my profile, and I will be able to print to it. One final little bonus tip is sometimes you'll need to change your default printer, and doing that is fairly easy as well. This box will pop up and say, do you want to set this as your default printer? The default's no. If you want to change that, say yes. Click Next, click Finished. You can change your default printer at any time. Just go down to Start, Settings, and back to that Printers and Faxes. The default printer will be identified with a little check mark. If you right-click any printer in that list, you can see one of your options is set as default printer. And you just click on that, and you'd be back in good shape. All right, give it a try.